Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell. So today's video is part of my Fakeaway series where I'll be showing you how to make a Chinese takeaway at home. I'll be showing you how to make sweet and sour chicken, chow mein, egg fried rice and a side of roasted broccoli. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name's Michelle and I upload videos every single week on things like cooking, cleaning, motherhood, lifestyle. So if that's the kind of thing that you like, then I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. If you've seen any of my other videos in the Fakeaway series, then you'll have seen I've done a video on the KFC Fakeaway, and I've also got lots more coming up, such as the McDonald's sausage and egg McMuffin and Indian. Today I'm doing Chinese, and there's much more videos coming up.
The first thing you want to do is put your broccoli onto roast, so just spray some oil over the broccoli, put salt and pepper and then bake it in the oven at 160 degrees for around 20 minutes. The first thing you need to do is actually make the sweet and sour sauce. You need to start off by straining a can of pineapple chunks over a bowl so you can reserve all of the juice. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour into a jug and then add 3 tablespoons of the pineapple juice and give it a good stir until it mixes into a smooth paste. You then want to add in the rest of your ingredients, so pour in the remaining pineapple juice, add 150 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and lastly half a teaspoon of dried chili flakes. Give it a good stir and then put aside for later. Once the sauce is done, it's time to start cooking all of your veg. I would use a wok for this, so what you want to do is spray a wok with some fry light. Then you want to add 1 onion which you cut into about 12 wedges, 2 peppers cut into chunks. You can use any colour that you've got lying around, and then stir fry this for around 2 minutes over a high heat. After a couple of minutes, it's then time to add in the chicken. So what I would do is add in 2 chicken breasts which you've cut into chunks. Fry this for around 2 to 3 minutes, basically until it's kind of coloured on all sides. Then you want to add in the remainder of your ingredients. So you will need to add in 2 crushed garlic cloves, 25 grams of ginger, the pineapple chunks from earlier, and a can of water chestnuts that I generally slice in half. Then you need to stir fry that for another minute. At this point you then want to go back to the sauce that you made earlier, give it a good stir, and then you just add this to the pan with the chicken and the vegetables, bring it to the boil and then simmer for around 5 minutes. Whilst the sweet and sour is simmering away, you need to get on and make the chow mein and the egg fried rice. First of all, you need to start the chow mein, so you want to cook 2 nests of egg noodles in boiling water. Whilst this is cooking, you want to get on and fry the rest of the ingredients, so you want to fry 4 sliced spring onions, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of ginger, a few mange tous that I've just sliced thinly, and a handful of bean sprouts. And then just fry this for around 2 to 3 minutes. Whilst that's frying, you want to make your noodle sauce. For this, I normally add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix it all together, and then if it is a bit thick, I normally like to add in around 50 ml of water. Then once your noodles are cooked, then you want to strain them and then transfer the veg to a saucepan, add in the strained noodles, pour over the sauce, place it on a low heat whilst you get on and make the egg fried rice. For the egg fried rice, you want to put some oil into a frying pan, fry around 4 sliced spring onions for about a minute. Then you want to add a cup of peas, a few tablespoons of sweet corn, just because I had some lying around, so I thought I'd add it in. Then just add a splash of water, cook for around 2 minutes. After a couple of minutes, you then want to add a packet of pre-cooked basmati rice, and then just break it up with the spatula as you kind of put it in. After around a minute or so, you want to make a well and stir in 3 eggs which you've whisked up. I just whisk them in a separate cup and then pour them in. At this point you want to move quite quickly to make sure you're coating everything. It shouldn't really take any longer than around 30 seconds. Then drizzle over 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and some black pepper. And there we have it. Everything should now be ready to serve. For a real authentic Chinese takeaway feel, I like to serve in foil cases and eat with chopsticks. And here we have it, the finished Chinese fakeaway. I literally cannot wait to tuck into this.